This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to can elderberry juice. Start by sanitizing jars and lids and set a clean workspace for canning. Gently wash and stem elderberries, then simmer them with water and a little sweetener until they release juice. Mash and strain through a fine sieve or cheesecloth, measure acidity, add lemon if needed, fill jars leaving headspace, and process in a boiling water canner. To prepare the juice, simmer the elderberries with just enough water to cover them until they burst and soften. Use a sturdy masher to release juices, then pour the mixture through fine mesh or cheesecloth to separate solids from liquid. Taste for sweetness and acidity, add lemon juice if needed for safety, and reheat the strained liquid before ladling into hot sterilized jars to minimize cooling during packing. When canning, fill hot jars with hot elderberry juice leaving 1/2 inch headspace and remove air bubbles. Wipe jar rims clean, center lids, and screw bands to fingertip tightness to allow air escape. Place jars in a boiling water canner, ensure they are covered by at least 1 inch of water, and process for the recommended time based on jar size and altitude. Cool jars undisturbed and check seals before storing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.